Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today's fun activity is called Ole Ole Ole. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so for this do-it-yourself home activity, you're gonna need a few household items. You're gonna need at least one laundry basket, at least one balloon, and some tape. That's an option. You could use anything as a sneaker or something as a marker. Those are the only items you're gonna need for this activity, so make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere, because we're gonna play Ole Ole Ole. Okay, so the only body parts that you can use for this activity are going to be your legs and your head. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to stand behind the line. I'm going to have a 1 minute challenge. I'm going to have to pop this ball up, balloon, and I have to juggle it as best as I can and make it in the basket. Now, if the balloon hits the floor before I even make it to the basket, I got to start right back over. Okay, so you got to use only your legs and your head to make it into the basket. Every time you make it inside the basket, you're gonna get 2 points towards your team. Okay, so stay tuned, I will demonstrate this in just a moment. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna do the 1 minute challenge. Again, using only my legs and my head to make it in the basket. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, so close. Gotta start over. Got away from me. Oh, come on. Oh my goodness. Last attempt. And time. All right, Jordan's gonna try Ole, Ole, Ole. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Just so you guys know, Jordan is a professional soccer. Chivas USA actually called him to play professionally. And he declined because let's start over. Because he's going to 4th grade. He thought his education came first. Oh, looking good. Remember, if it hits the floor, you have to start over. You can use only his legs and his head. Jordan got 2 points. time.
Alright, so here we go. I'm going to try my second round. First round, I got 0 points. I'm going to show you a lot there. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Try baby kicks. This time. There you go, 2 points. Four points.
And time. 4 points. All right, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Ole! 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 Up, up, ole! Please drop a comment below. Who is your favorite soccer team or soccer club? We'd love to know. We are huge fans of Barcelona. We are huge fans of Lionel Messi. That is Jordan's soccer idol. Alrighty. Up, 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 2 points. So far, in round 1 and 2, Jordan has a total of 2 points. I scored 2 points in my second round, so we're tied up. We're gonna go to a third round right now. This time, to make it a little more challenging, we're gonna use our non-dominant foot. I'm right foot is my dominant foot, so I'm only gonna be able to use my left foot and my head. Those are the only legs are the only body parts I can use for this third round, okay? Stay tuned.
Alright, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Non-dominant foot and my head. I have 2 points. I can't do that leg.
All right, here we go. Round 3, Jordan's up. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so after 3 rounds, Jordan and I still are tied. So we're going to go one more round. Round number 4. This time we're only using headers. We are only going to be able to use our cabezas. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, round 4. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, 2 points. Oh. Sorry, 3, 2, 1. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Ole, Ole, Ole. Please make sure you guys drop down a comment below. Let us know who is your favorite soccer club or team. We'd like to know because we would like to respond. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that game. So please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And as always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.